do you like the beard?
I don't know.
Are you trying to negotiate the shaving of your beard?
Let's see what you have to offer.
This is probably the best idea I've ever heard.
All right, you get one day.
One day?
I'm bringing my own. You don't bring your clippers. I'm going to bring my clippers.
Sure?
Yeah, I don't want your clippers.
It's time to shave. Derek! Deal's a deal. A deal's a deal.
We had the company meeting today. I was playing checkers and you were playing chess. You knew.
You made a deal. It's cost me $200. I get my $200 out of it. 3 days.
All right, what are you going to do?
Oh, that's nice. Oh, you just... Oh, we're gonna trim one.
I'll just leave it like that.
Let me see. That's right, sir.
This is, I have to go to the meeting. Oh no.
Honest Abe? Not honest. The deal they made was not a good deal. Derek, you want to tell them about the deal that you made?
Keith offered me $200 to shave my beard, and I said yes.
Oh. In all fairness, he said it had to go.
That looks ridiculous.
I think I did pretty good. This side here, make it look like a swoosh around.
Sure.